Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to talk about the Lord who cares. As we continue to have a conversation about grief and what it looks like from a healthy perspective, I want us to look at Psalms 34, verse number 18, where the psalmist addresses those whose hearts are broken, and here's what he says. He says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He rescues those whose spirits are crushed." The reality is that you and I will walk through seasons where we face disappointments. And sometimes we'll walk through seasons where dreams are crushed, relationships are lost, and opportunities taken away. It's in these seasons that our hearts are broken and spirits are crushed, like he says in Psalms 34:18. But here's the hope. Nothing that you've experienced has caught God by surprise. And one of the greatest parts about the nature of God is that he comforts, heals, and restores. And the reason why is because God cares. If you're currently walking through a season of disappointment, a season where your heart is broken and spirit is crushed, I want you to know that God sees you. He not only sees you, he's with you. And he's ready to walk with you, step by step, day by day, week by week, month by month. So to you, the person whose heart is broken, remember that the Lord is close. To you, the person whose spirit is crushed, remember that the Lord rescues. And to you who's listening today that may face trouble tomorrow, remember that God cares.